And I think that's the key point with regards to scaling up. We could not have scaled up the way we did without having these automations, without having these user communications go out automatically and seamlessly without human intervention. So definitely released our limitations in terms of scale. Hi, I'm Mordechai. I'm CTO and co-founder at Wesper. Wesper is an FDA-approved clinical-grade system designed to get you the care you need to start sleeping better within 2 months. Includes meeting with sleep experts and board-certified physicians to review your comprehensive sleep data and get tailor-made treatment plan, all from the comfort of your own bed. The reasons we decided to go with LeadSquared, well, number one, it seemed like it would be quicker implementation and a little more affordable and a better fit for us as a young startup, as opposed to going with maybe a bigger competitor or something that would require third-party professional services and a lot of investments from our side. With LeadSquared, we got the impression early on that we can get to a point where we're using the product very quickly. We were able to get the ball rolling and start using it in our day-to-day flow very quickly. I can definitely say that as we expand and use LeadSquared in more ways, it reduced overhead on a lot of our operational procedures. Things that used to take significant human time, are now automated. There is no question that it allowed us to expand, work with more customers, onboard additional sales personnel and account managers to be able to support more customers, something that we couldn't have done before getting to this point where all these processes are working correctly and seamlessly. And I think that's the key point with regards to scaling up. We could not have scaled up the way we did without having these automations, without having these user communications go out automatically and seamlessly without human intervention. So definitely released our limitations in terms of scale. Right off the bat, for me, especially as a technology person, one of the main features that I like is the API and labs and automation. So with the API is very comprehensive. You can do everything that needs to be done through the API, and that allows us to do all these integrations, to take things that might be hard to do in LeadSquared, out of LeadSquared, and then back into LeadSquared. So the API and the fact that it's comprehensive, well documented, and easy to use is a big selling. Of course, automations are a huge part of the product for us. We've developed dozens of automations up until now, and some of them are extremely complicated and deal with many different scenarios, handle user communications, handle fulfillment tasks, and sales tasks, and all these things. So automation was a big point. Yeah, so I think overall our experience with LeadSquared was very positive. Onboarding and implementation process was quick. We were up and running very quickly and have been expanding the use of the product ever since, pretty much on a regular basis, working closely with the support and professional services to move quickly, integrate with many external systems. So overall, the experience was very positive, and it shows because we continue to use the product and expand the use of the product. Different parts of the company are now using LeadSquared for the day-to-day operation. So we're happy.